What's up, everybody? Let's be real. You're here because you want to make money in the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the idea of multiplying your money tenfold is incredibly enticing. Imagine what you could do with that kind of return. Today I'm going to show you how to get there. I've got a stock that could be a total game changer for your portfolio. This isn't just any stock. It's one that has the potential to skyrocket. We're talking about a company that's on the brink of a major breakthrough, and if you get in now, you could see massive returns. But remember, with great potential comes great risk, so it's crucial to do your own research and make informed decisions. We're talking about a potential 10 times return, and the clock is ticking. Opportunities like this don't come around often, and when they do, they don't last long. The market moves fast, and if you're not ready to act, you could miss out. So, it's important to stay informed and be prepared to make your move when the time is right. That's right, mark your calendars for January 27th, because that's a date you don't want to miss. On this day, a significant event is expected to take place that could send this stock soaring. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. I'm going to break down all the details you need to know, from the company's background to the key factors driving its potential growth. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why this stock could be a game changer for your portfolio. I'm breaking down exactly why this stock is set to explode, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. We'll look at the company's financials, its market position, and the trends that are working in its favor. I'll also share some expert opinions and insights that could help you make an informed decision. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve and potentially see significant returns. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the channel grow and ensures that you never miss out on valuable content like this. Let's get started on this exciting journey to potentially 10x your money. Today, we're diving into the world of financial technology, or fintech for short. This is an industry that's been growing at an exponential rate, transforming the way we handle money, invest, and even think about finance. From mobile banking to blockchain technology, fintech is reshaping the financial landscape in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. The company I'm fired up about is SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SoFi. SoFi is not just another fintech company, it's a game changer. Founded in 2011, SoFi has quickly risen to become one of the most influential players in the fintech space. Their mission is to help people achieve financial independence and realize their ambitions, and they're doing just that. Now, if you haven't heard of SoFi yet, you're missing out. This company is revolutionizing the way we think about finance. Imagine having all your financial needs met in one place: loans, investments, banking, and even insurance, all accessible through a single user-friendly app. That's the power of SoFi. SoFi is a massive player in the fintech space, and they're not just some small startup trying to find their footing. They've already made significant strides in the industry, partnering with major financial institutions and expanding their range of services. Their innovative approach has caught the attention of both consumers and investors alike. They're already a publicly traded company with a market cap of $18 billion, and they're just getting started. Their stock has been performing well, and analysts are optimistic about their future growth. This is a company that's not just surviving but thriving in a highly competitive market. What makes SoFi so special? It's their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. They're constantly updating their app with new features and services, making it easier for users to manage their finances. Whether you're looking to refinance your student loans, invest in the stock market, or simply save for a rainy day, SoFi has got you covered. They're disrupting the traditional financial industry left and right, offering everything from personal loans and student loan refinancing to investing and even banking all in one easy-to-use app. This level of convenience is unprecedented, and it's no wonder that SoFi has garnered a loyal customer base. This is the future of finance, people, and SoFi is leading the charge. They're leveraging cutting-edge technology to provide services that are not only efficient but also highly secure. In a world where data breaches and financial fraud are all too common, SoFi's robust security measures give users peace of mind. They're taking on the big banks and winning, and that's why I'm so bullish on their future. SoFi is not just a company, it's a movement. They're democratizing finance, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. And as they continue to grow and innovate, there's no telling just how far they can go. So, if you're looking for a company that's poised to shape the future of finance, look no further than SoFi Technologies. Now, I'm all about the numbers, and SoFi's numbers are looking mighty impressive. When you dive into the financials, you see a company that's not just growing, but accelerating at a pace that's almost unprecedented. It's like watching a rocket take off. The revenue figures are not just good, they're phenomenal. Their annual revenue increased significantly from $977 million in 2021 to $2.07 billion in 2023. For 2024, SoFi projects adjusted net revenue between $2.54 billion and $2.55 billion, which is up from the $2.07 billion in 2023. This is a strong indication of growth and increasing market share in the financial technology space. Their quarterly revenues shows strong growth, from $464 million in Q1 2023 to $691 million in Q3 2024. These numbers indicate seasonal resilience and improving operational efficiency. The company is projected to do around $2.84 billion in revenue in 2025. And it's not just about the revenue. Their user base is expanding rapidly, and their market penetration is deepening. SoFi now serves over 10 million customers, marking a significant growth that reflects customer loyalty and sustained demand for the company's products or services. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders. Over the past year, their revenue has skyrocketed, and they are consistently exceeding analyst expectations. This isn't just a one-off event, it's a trend. Month after month, quarter after quarter, SoFi is delivering results that are making Wall Street sit up and take notice. SoFi has maintained a gross profit margin of 100% consistently, which points to the company's effective management and strong business model. The financial metrics are all pointing in the right direction. Revenue, profit margins, user growth, you name it, SoFi is excelling in it. And this isn't just about meeting expectations, they're blowing them out of the water. This kind of growth is unheard of in the traditional finance world, and it's a clear sign that SoFi is onto something big. Traditional banks and financial institutions are struggling to keep up with the pace of innovation and customer acquisition that SoFi is demonstrating. It's like comparing a sports car to a horse-drawn carriage. The agility, the speed, the efficiency. SoFi is redefining what it means to be a financial services company in the 21st century. Even though SoFi reported a net loss of $300 million in 2023, that amount shows a decrease from the net loss of $483 million in 2021, which shows that the company is making progress towards becoming profitable. They're attracting millions of users to their platform, and that number is only going to keep climbing. The user experience is seamless, intuitive, and designed for the digital age. People are flocking to SoFi because it offers something that traditional banks can't: convenience, transparency, and a customer-first approach. And as more people discover the benefits of using SoFi, the network effect kicks in, driving even more growth. It's a virtuous cycle that's hard to stop. In 2023, SoFi invested $516 million in research and development, which goes to show their commitment to enhancing technology and innovation to drive future growth. But here's the kicker. SoFi is still massively undervalued by the market. Despite all the positive indicators, the stock price doesn't reflect the true value of the company. This is a classic case of the market being slow to catch up with reality. For savvy investors, this represents a golden opportunity. The disconnect between the company's performance and its stock price is glaring, and it's only a matter of time before the market corrects itself. Their current stock price at $16.50 doesn't even come close to reflecting their true potential, and that's where our opportunity lies. Imagine getting in on Amazon or Google in their early days. That's the kind of potential we're talking about here. I recently started my initial buying position at $14.50 and looking to add more in the future. SoFi is poised for explosive growth, and the current stock price is a bargain. For those who recognize the opportunity, the potential returns are enormous. It's not just about making a quick buck, it's about investing in a company that's set to change the financial landscape. We're talking about a company with the potential to grow 10 times, maybe even more, in the coming years. The market for financial services is vast, and SoFi is just scratching the surface. With their innovative approach and relentless focus on customer satisfaction, the sky's the limit. The growth potential is staggering, and the company is well positioned to capitalize on it. This isn't just speculation, it's based on solid fundamentals and a clear vision for the future. This is not a drill, people. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor of something truly special. Opportunities like this don't come around often. SoFi is a game changer, and those who recognize its potential stand to reap significant rewards. It's about being part of a revolution in the financial industry, and the time to act is now. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Get in on the action and be part of something extraordinary. Now you might be wondering why I'm so focused on January 27th. Well, that's the day SoFi is set to release their next earnings report. And let me tell you, this is not just any earnings report. Analysts are predicting blowout numbers with massive revenue growth and a surge in new users. This report has the potential to be a catalyst that sends SoFi's stock price soaring. Imagine this. The market wakes up to SoFi's incredible performance, and suddenly, everyone wants a piece of the action. Demand for the stock explodes, and the price shoots up like a rocket. That's why it's crucial to get in before January 27th. Once those earnings are released, the opportunity to buy at these discounted prices could vanish overnight. One of the key reasons I'm so bullish on SoFi is their dominance in the student loan market. They started out by offering student loan refinancing at incredibly competitive rates, directly challenging the traditional lenders. And let me tell you, they've been crushing it. Millions of students are drowning in student loan debt, and SoFi is offering them a lifeline with lower interest rates and more flexible repayment options. But they didn't stop there. SoFi has expanded their offerings to include private student loans, giving students even more options to finance their education. This is a massive market, and SoFi is quickly becoming the go-to solution for students looking to save money on their student loans. This kind of market dominance is a recipe for long-term growth and profitability. But SoFi isn't just a one-trick pony. They're building a complete financial ecosystem that caters to all your financial needs. We're talking about personal loans, mortgages, investing, banking, you name it. They're even getting into the cryptocurrency game, offering a platform to buy and sell popular cryptocurrencies. SoFi is literally becoming a one-stop shop for all things finance. This kind of diversification is key. It reduces their reliance on any one market and positions them for sustainable growth in the long run. Think about it. Instead of having separate accounts at different institutions, you can manage your entire financial life through SoFi. That's convenience, that's innovation, and that's the future of finance. Now, some people might call SoFi a bank, but I see them as a tech company in disguise. They're using technology to revolutionize the way we manage our money, and that's where the real value lies. Their app is sleek, user-friendly, and packed with features that traditional banks can only dream of. They're constantly innovating and improving their technology, making it easier and more accessible for everyone to take control of their finances. This focus on technology gives them a huge advantage over the competition. Traditional banks are bogged down by legacy systems and outdated technology, while SoFi is nimble, agile, and always ahead of the curve. In the world of finance, technology is king, and SoFi is sitting on a technological throne. One of the things I love most about SoFi is their commitment to financial literacy and empowering the next generation of investors. They offer a ton of educational resources, making it easy for anyone to learn about investing and build a brighter financial future. They're breaking down the barriers to entry that have traditionally kept younger generations from investing. They're making investing accessible, affordable, and even fun. This is huge because it creates a whole new generation of loyal customers who are invested in SoFi's success. These are the investors of tomorrow, and SoFi is building a lasting relationship with them. It's not just about making money, it's about creating a community of financially savvy individuals who are empowered to take control of their financial destinies. Another reason I'm so confident in SoFi's future is their rockstar management team. These are some of the brightest minds in the industry, with a proven track record of success. They have a clear vision for the future of SoFi, and they're executing their plan flawlessly. They're not afraid to take risks, but they're also strategic and calculated in their approach. This is not a group of executives who are just looking for a quick buck. They're building a legacy, and they're in it for the long haul. That's the kind of leadership that inspires confidence and drives long-term growth. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. The fintech industry is booming, and it's only going to get bigger. More and more people are turning to digital solutions for their financial needs, and traditional institutions are struggling to keep up. SoFi is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this massive trend. They're at the forefront of the fintech revolution, and they're leading the charge with innovative products and a customer-centric approach. This is like investing in Apple during the early days of the smartphone. The potential for growth is astronomical, and SoFi is poised to become a dominant player in this rapidly expanding market. Look, I've been in the real estate game for a long time, and I've learned a thing or two about spotting a good investment. And let me tell you, SoFi has all the makings of a home run. They have a massive market opportunity, a disruptive business model, a solid track record of growth, and a management team that's second to none. This is a company that's built for the long haul. I truly believe that SoFi has the potential to be one of the biggest winners in the stock market over the next decade. They're changing the game, and I want to be along for the ride. So, here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a stock with the potential to 10 times your money, SoFi needs to be on your radar. This is a rare opportunity to get in on the ground floor of something truly special. But the clock is ticking. January 27th is just around the corner, and once those earnings are released, the price could skyrocket. Don't miss your chance to be a part of SoFi's incredible journey. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. But if I were you, I'd be doing my own research on SoFi and seriously considering adding them to my portfolio. Don't just take my word for it. Look at the numbers, read the analyst reports, and see for yourself why SoFi is such a compelling investment opportunity. The future of finance is here, and it's called SoFi. Don't get left behind. So what are you waiting for? Join the SoFi revolution and position yourself for massive gains in the years to come. This is your chance to be a part of something big, something disruptive, something that could change the world. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Get in on SoFi before it's too late. If you're enjoying this and want a deeper dive into spotting undervalued stocks, I've put together a free guide for you. 7 proven steps to spot undervalued stocks like a pro. You can grab it from the link in the description below. And hey, while you're down there, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to crush it in the stock market. See you in the next one.